disrespect people to it. What the fuck you mean them disrespect people to? What the fuck you add somebody? And then, yeah, say, oh, so them nyamo bati and them son. They like big pussy pan nyamo bati. Me never come on the live and chat shit. All I wanna take it up on the head. Up, circulate it. Oh, she nyamo bati, she do this, she do that. She do this, she do that, she do this, she do that. Oh my God, like get over it. Get over it. Get over it. It's a joke. But I guess what? TikTok is not a place where you can run certain joke. And Jamaicans are so fucking insensitive, so fucking slow. Everything you say, them have a problem with it. Why add people for disrespect them? Constantly add people for disrespect them. Once alive, and I call me big pussy. This batty man. Yeah, add a woman for your life to call her big pussy with him big batty. Probably a drain a blood clot with him batty man self. More fuck your mother Jayden, batty man Jayden. Yeah, somebody. A TikTok make you feel like somebody. Me name before blood clot TikTok batty. Yeah, come talk about. Yeah, come talk about. A TikTok make you feel like blood clot somebody, you know. No body, you know. When you come over this, I come go and like somebody, you know. When you make too look of content and too look of idiot fool people. Boss, you know. I make you feel like somebody. Pussy, me make me name long time. Me can't tell you that. You always a walk a disrespect the girl, them always a walk a disrespect people and then want to call that content. You're a man. You're not like girl. You love man. And that's why you always choose to follow up gay straight. You're not straight, you're a batty boy. And it's obvious because you always a try for disrespect woman and add the woman them and disrespect them. Go suck your mother Jayden is a bad boy. You understand? And me is not homophobic because me are married to a fucking girl. So still, but me not like classy man be bold with the battiness because nobody not judge you. But don't come and go and like say you want to disrespect people every time. And a long time you have blood clot, you go suck your mother again. You hear that? You're a fool. But see, I'm a fuck you with my strap. Body, stretch out your body. Stretch out your body also, make it big like this, so. Fuck in your big hole. Well done, you know. Cause you love sweets and you love likes. I mean, no, say them a cock you up a one part for so lion. The no say them a cock you up a one part for so lion. Every day you come on TikTok. Every day you come on TikTok. Yeah, bring down the girl them and bring down the girl them. When I know this somebody bring down, y'all bring down people blood clot. People when I do you know what. Every day you just get up a bring down, and then you want to say he's a content creator, he's a creator. A batty business about, you know. A batty business, you know. Instead of you add me upon the live, you know, and try for you come with this batty argument. Because you always remember, are you alone talk about batty, so? Are you alone? Are you alone? Not even me with Adla Jilde them send you and batty not talk about batty, but as you come upon the live, the first thing you have to remember about is batty because that's all you live for batty. If you not hear nothing about batty, you don't feel good, you know. Because when you hear something about batty, you get me? Yeah. Jayden a got batty man, gunman Jayden. Jayden a gunman, Jayden is a fucking troll. Jayden is not a fucking gunman.